This is the question related to drawing sample of size 2 with replacement from a given population. Now, in the question, there are three important points: that what is the sample size, what is the procedure, and what is the population. Population over here is 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. First of all, we have to write the size of the population, that n is equal to 5. There are 5 elements, so population size is 5. Sample size is given in the question, that is 2, and procedure over here is with replacement. With replacement procedure, you should know that a unit can be repeated more than once, and also in the case of with replacement, the sample size can be greater than the population size. So over here the procedure is with replacement. Before finding the samples, we have to know what is the total possible sample number, that how many samples you can make. Total possible sample is denoted by the formula, can be found by the formula capital N raised to power small n, where capital N is the population size and small n is the sample size. 5 raised to power 2, you have 5 population size, and 2 is the sample size which is mentioned in the question. 5 raised to power 2, that is 25. Now, how to make the sample? First of all, I have written the serial numbers, and then I am making the sample. To make the sample, is the procedure is very easy. Select the first unit of the population, that is 3. You have to make a sample of size 2, means two elements in each sample. So 3, take the first number and assign it with all other numbers. 3 is assigned with 3 itself, because it is a case of with replacement. 3 can appear twice. 3 with 5, 3 with 7, 3 with 9, and 3 with 11. In the same way, after 3 we will assign 5, 5 with 3, 5 with 5, 5 with 7, 5 with 8, and 5 with 9. Okay. Then 7. 7 is assigned with 3, 7 with 5, 7 with 7, 7 with 8, and 7 with 9. After that, you will take 8, 8 with 3, 8 with 5, 8 with 7, 8 with 8, and 8 with 9. And finally, you will take 9, 9 with 3, 9 with 5, 9 with 7, 9 with 8, and 9 with 9. You will have 25 samples in this case. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You will have 25 samples in this case of drawing sample with replacement of size 2 from a selected population.